Good afternoon. My name is Kim Hae-sun, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, we want to discuss with the Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo about the new book, the third edition of the Practical Guide for Foreign Employment and Immigration. And today, recently, we were going to publish the third edition. So could you explain about the book?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. I'm very happy to introduce a new edition, the Practical Guide for Foreign Employment and Immigration. This book has been published already twice. This is third book. So especially this book, this third edition has a very particular content. First one is it is published in bilingual language, so Korean and English. So previously there was only Korean language, so it was hard for foreigners to read and understand. But this third edition will provide the English service, so anybody from English-speaking countries will understand and use this book effectively for their stay in Korea. Also, we supplement more content. So this is a visa navigator published by Immigration Office. So it showed about more details for each different visa. So it is also included in this new book. So I hope this book will be very useful for all foreigners working and living in Korea.
Yes. So if we go into the content of the book, I understand that it will cover not only about the foreign immigration, but detail the type of visa. So and also for in order to employ foreigners, how to there's a big detailed guide about this subject. So could you explain in detail about the content?
Yeah. So this book includes two parts: employment law, also immigration law. So employment law means those law related to foreign employment, like what types of foreign, the social insurances that applicable to foreigners working in Korea, also their working condition. So Korean labor law is human rights law, so regardless of their status, like illegal or legal status in Korea, they are applied to Korean labor law. It explains at least what the foreign workers must know while they're working. So the more they know about Korean labor law, the more the right they can enjoy. So this shows some about employment law. Also, this book showed about the immigration law, especially visa issuance. So visa is very important. Without visa, they must be deported in 30 days. So in order to stay in Korea, they must have a certain type of visa. If they are student, then they have a T2 visa. So while they are working and studying, how they can work as a part-time. So this book explains. Also, when they graduate from universities or graduate school, then they are how they can change it from T2 visa to T10 job seeking visa. So it shows also based on job seeking visa they can get a job. Then mostly they can get E7 visa. It shows how they can get such a job. Also, what is condition for getting job in Korea. Also, if they already gotten E7 visa, then how they can stay safely changing their visa to F2 is resident visa. What is the condition for getting resident visa? So it's issue. So if they stay long in Korea with F2 resident visa, they need to more safe visa. That is if F5 is a permanent visa, then this book shows such a visa condition. I mean the requirement for getting such a the F5 visa or F2 visa. Also spouse visa, also some business visa. It also explained what condition, how they can get, what document they should submit, what qualified to get such a visa. It show all such information in this book.
I see. So in case of Korea, we experience a fast aging society, as well as we experience a low birth rate. So I understand that it's very important for the country to utilize foreign workers. So in that sense, I think this booklet will be very useful for many organizations as well as individuals. So what is your plan about promoting this book in future?
So this book is a very kind of what it explained for foreign to get a job. That means it always follow government policy. So this book cannot create independent opinion, because through this book they can secure their visa, also how they can get through the immigration officer. So but in my personal opinion, for the visa policy, Korean government needs to import more non-professional the workers, like domestic workers, because so far in order to protect the Korean domestic workers, it is not allowed to import foreign domestic workers like Filipino or some Indonesian or other those people from Southeast Asia or South Asia or Mongolia or some other countries. We need to hire cheap labor from those countries, just like the migrant workers. So we need to import more various or diverse the applicant, like to take care of some senior citizens or some domestic, I mean the newly married couples. Then I'm sure those like introducing new visa system to import those target the foreign workers, then I'm sure it will help for many Korean people, so they can solve their social problem, like shortage of workforce in Korea, like certain like farming area or some factory or some domestic workers, something like that.
Yeah, so I understand that the Korean Ministry of Justice is reviewing many rules and regulations, how to utilize the low-wage workers, as you have mentioned. So I hope that this book, which is will be published in Korean as well as English, can be promoted well for those people. Thank you so much. Any other comment?
Yeah, this book it will be finished today. Then already is edited by the publishing company, but I'm checking last moment for update, like to review. Final review. So this book will be published within 1 week. So I hope this book will play very important role to support foreign workers as well as supporting Korean employers. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye bye.